What we can see is that the future roadmap is becoming increasingly AI enabled, precision driven, and biologically sophisticated. From the now phase, currently witnessing major milestones like the first PROTAC regulatory filings, oral GMT1 approvals, increasing AI assisted drug discovery contributions, we are moving towards more PROTAC therapies and RNA targeting small molecules. Wherein the midterm horizon looks like where the CNS innovation becomes especially important as the industry is investing heavily in blood-brain barrier penetration technologies, the particular neuro diseases therapies, and AI integrated clinical development. Further, AI will likely be integrated into the majority of clinical and the discovery workflows. But finally, what we're seeing around 10 years from now is a long term horizon, a continued expansion of global APIs and CDMO ecosystems is highly expected. So the future of small molecules is not static. It is evolving into far more intelligent, precision driven, and computationally enhanced discipline.